So far, we have covered how to create an index, how to drop an index, and how to insert a document. So for next, I'm going to tell you how to get a document or a collection of results for that matter. So I type documents and I say es get. Simple as that. And I did in my documents. And if I go over here and hit refresh, as you can see, we have just inserted our first document. Just to be sure, as you can see, we have one document. So if I get my documents, I get one item with the correspondent data in it. As you can see, here is my sample title, sample content, and my price. Okay, this goes for getting the collection of results. And for this one too, I say insert a duck. All right, pretty simple, huh? Okay, how about getting a documentation by its ID? So I say document is equal to ES ID 1, and actually we say first this time. Okay, let's say dd document, and if I go over here, as you can see, I get a collection, and in the attribute field I get my document. What if I say get the ID 2, get the second ID? I get null because there is no ID2 in our index. Okay, this goes for getting a doc with its ID. All right. How about the next one? Um, how do we do if we have a condition to getting the collection of results? We can simply use the where clause as we use it in Laravel itself. So I can say response is equal to. I'm going to get all documents with price is equal to 1200. So for that, I say es where price is 1200, and I get all of them. And I did a response. I go over my browser and I hit this. I get my document. Marvelous. All right, what if I say the price is equal to 1500? I get no items. What if I say the title, the sample title? Do I get anything? I don't. All right. So as you saw, we can go through our documents and use where clause as we use in our Laravel application. So where clause. Okay, we are doing the simplest queries because it's an tutorial. So in your applications, I'm sure that it will be more complicated queries, but don't worry because whatever it is that you are having as your query and your end result, it'll be easy because with third-party packages, we have Query Builder as we talked about before, and you can simply go ahead and read through the Laravel documentation and of course the base and crud package in GitHub, and you can get whatever you want in order to satisfy your query. And so, okay, how about searching in our entire documents? I am going to say my response is equal to es search. What is it that I'm going to search? I'm going to search sample, and I say get. I'm not sure that it will give us any result, but let's hit yes. Okay, I get the result. Why? Because I have sample over here and sample over here. But if I say search for, let's say, product number one, I'm pretty sure that I get nothing because we don't have anything like this in our doc. How about 1200? I don't get anything. You know why? Because we don't have 1200 as a string in our documents. So the correct way would be searching for 1200, and if I hit enter, I get the result because I have price equal to 1200. All right, there's for that. And I say searching in the entire documents. Entire. All right. How about updating the document and how we can do update one specific document? It's pretty simple. I say response is equal to es, and here I specify my type, which is going to be underscore doc, and the ID is 1, and update, which takes an array. And I say for now my title is updated title, and I'm not touching anything else in my document. And I say dd response. Okay, and I refresh. As you can see, the result is updated, so I can simply go ahead and retrieve my document, and you see the title has been updated. And for the, okay, let's specify the doc update a document. Okay, and for the last operation in our crud, I'm going to delete a doc. Okay, response is equal to es type underscore doc and id 1 and just delete it. If I get the acknowledge true, if only. Okay, if you paid attention to my actions, I hit refresh 2 times, so because of that I get not found. Okay, okay, let's just, for getting sure, I insert the documentation once again. Okay, I have my doc over here, I can get it, pretty simple. And let's just delete it again just to make sure that it works perfectly. Okay, if I refresh, as you can see, the result is deleted. If I uh, try to refresh one more time. You can see the result is not found because I have already deleted the ID number one. Okay, thanks for watching this episode. That's pretty much it for using Query Builder to make CRUD operation in our third-party package.